This bird dances better than you at prom. Meet the manakin bird. To impress females, it moonwalks across branches like a feathered Michael Jackson. Their dance is part of survival. No smooth moves, no girlfriend, no future bird babies. It's basically nature's version of America's Got Talent, but the judges are birds. Scientists say their choreography is so precise, it's like they practice for hours every day. Meanwhile, humans practice one TikTok dance.
Damn!
So yeah, this little bird has more rhythm than half of us at weddings. Even your uncle's weird chicken dance can't compete. Subscribe now before this bird takes over TikTok with the ultimate dance challenge.